Given problem 27 power x minus 3 power x by 3 power x equal to 80. Find the value of x. 27 power x minus 3 power x by 3 power x equal to 80. A plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. 27 power x by 3 power x minus 3 power x by 3 power x equal to 80. A by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. 27 by 3 whole power x cancel 1 equal to 80. 3 1 ja 3 9 ja 9 power x equal to minus 1 right side going plus 1. 80 plus 1 81. 9 power x equal to 81 equal to 9 square. Base equal, exponents are equal, x equal 2. Check. LHS 27 power x minus 3 power x by 3 power x. X equal to substitute 27 square 3 square by 3 square. A square minus b square a plus b a minus b. A square minus b square a plus b 27 plus 3 a minus b 27 minus 3 3 square 3 into 3 27 plus 3 30 27 minus 3 24 by 3 into 3 3 1 ja 3 10 ja 3 1 ja 3 8 ja 10 8 ja 80. So, RHS. Thank you.